Hello everyone, welcome to Rizal Learning Hub. In this video we can find the value of these difficult problem, which is 14 minus 14 divided by 14 minus 14. So how can we find the value of this expression? If you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my channel for more amazing and interesting video, so we can take start to solve this problem. Okay, this problem can solve in just some second, but you can focus and understand. If anywhere you can face an issue, then comment. Inshallah I will reply your comment. Okay, so we can start this question. So in this expression, 2 subtraction and 1 division is included. Okay student, but firstly we can solve division, because in PEDMAS rule division have higher priority than subtraction. You should all know. Okay, so firstly we can solve these two numbers. So I can write here 14 minus 14 divided by 14, which is equal to student 1. Okay, minus 14. Now we can start next step. In next step, in this expression now 2 subtraction, and we have to from left to right. Okay, so 14 minus 1, which is equal to 13. Okay, minus 14. Now in last step, 13 minus 14, which is equal to minus 1. So this is the final answer of this expression. Student, if you face an issue in this question, then comment. I will reply your question and clear your concept. Okay, and if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my channel for more amazing and interesting videos. Thanks a lot.